right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my, or the 4 winners of my Bucky Funko Pop Raz. So we'll check the time, January 11th at 11:43 a.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. We've got January 11th at 11:43 a.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 4 after the final roll will all win Buckies. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. 11 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final, looking for the top 4. Here we go. Good luck. It is Zach, Ryan, Dallas, and Lucas. So 4 separate winners. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, January 11th, 11:44 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.